Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you I'm going to be consistent. I'm here for it. I'm not giving up. I'm not slowing down now, guys. So if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle, please stay back and keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using this expression braiding hair. I've had this for a long time and I decided to just, do something with that hair. I'm sectioning my hair into two places or more, I think so. But you guys should just watch what I did here. I don't want to keep talking so I don't distract you guys. But I believe all of you watching this can see and understand. Okay. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing here is just, I think I was just building. I was still doing the foundation here. So this is just the base of my hairstyle. I'm trying to section it the way I want. And I'm going to braid this and set it aside. Okay, then that one I'll braid it, then set it aside. Then I'm here sectioning another part or angle of my hair. If you don't have patience, you will not be able to do this. You need to exercise patience for you to be able to get the complete style, for you to be able to do this by yourself. And if you need help, don't hesitate to ask for help if you're trying to make your hair by yourself. You have to find easy. So I'm doing this one also. I'm sectioning this one also. Oops, my hands are hurting. Then all these ones I'm keeping aside, I'll come back to the hair later. Okay, this is what the back looks like. And so basically the left and right side is the same thing. And I'm doing two steps on the front side. So that is. I do not feel you. I'm not crossing that. Guys, when it comes to braiding your hair, doing all these feeding braids or feeding cornrow or whatever, it's so hard for you to do it. It's so hard doing it yourself, guys. Okay, let me know if you want a tutorial on how to start your hair. You know how I'm starting this. If you have a problem doing that, I want a tutorial on that, please let me know. I'm very willing now. I'll be very happy to teach you. So this is what is called feeding braids. I'm feeding in with more extension. Okay, I think I'm going to put another one. I think I used 3 here. Yes, this is the last one, I believe so. On top of the world is what we deserve. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading. Oh, I thought it was 4. Let's stop this charade. Stop this charade. So I went on and on with this until I finished the both sides. And watch closely, I didn't finish up the tip of the hair. because I have something else I want to do with it.
I would give you the world if it was up to me. It's not too late to be heard. So tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. And stop this charade. No more.
Guys, I'm almost done with this. It's 3 sets each. And I did this because I want the hair to have volume at least. So it will look a little bit fuller. Because if I just do the one steps all the way down, the hair is going to look a little bit scanty, which I don't want. Okay, so I'm actually done with the two. I hope you guys are understanding this style. Oh. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section, please. And I believe this is the last one of the center cornrow. You can imagine I'm making my own hair. The thing is paining me, but I'm still doing it like that. Okay, we're almost done. Oh, I think I have one more left. Go, UD. Oh, it's hot. I think it's just my hand, not the hair actually. Guys, I'm almost done. So this is actually Instagram live. I was live on Instagram while I was making my hair. That's why I'm laughing. To be honest, at some point it looks like I wasn't really sure of what I wanted to do with that hair. So guys, after curling the, is that the right side? Yeah, I'm back on the left side and I'm almost finishing up. So let me know if you've been able to do your hair by yourself, like this. Cornrow your hair, Ghana braids, that's what we call it, Ghana braiding. Ghana braiding. Have you been able to do this by yourself? Let me know down in the comment section. Do you think you can do this if you haven't done it before? Is this something you think you can do? Do you think you can withstand the pain? Because this one will give you what is it called? Muscles. Your arm will be as fat as this one. So let me know what you think about braiding your hair by yourself. Do you think it's something you see yourself doing anytime? If you can do it yourself, what motivated you? What inspired you? What caused it? What happened? How did you start braiding your hair by yourself? What happened? Is it because of the cost of getting the hair done in the country where you live, or is something you have passion for? As for me, I started curling my hair or making my hair by myself because here in America the cost of making hair is actually expensive. So I'm like, you know what, I can actually do this by myself. And I started trying my hair by myself, and to be honest, I fell in love with making my hair by myself. So I just like to play with my hair a lot. Because of that, I have a constant change of hairstyles all the time. When you see me, I have a new hairstyle because I'm actually doing it myself. It does not cost me nothing to get it done. All I need is just the braiding hair or whatever, crochet or whatever. So I'm actually saving some money, but I'm putting in time and work. Let me know your thought down in the comment section, okay? Boom, guys, I'm done. Oh, look at the back. It's really simple and easy. So I'm trying to, what is this one called again? Here putting coils on my hair. I'm trying to put coils on my hair by tying the hair with some sewing threads. After doing this, I'll be able to dip this inside the hot water and boom, the coils will come out. Squeeze it. By doing this, you're going to achieve the kind of coils that you want. So guys, I went ahead to do this in all the hair that I did. And here the end look. Yay! This is the end look. What do you think about this? What do you think? Go UD, go UD, go UD. Guys, this is the hair. Oh. Give that, give that. Show us your back. Show us your back. Your back. Turn your back now. Yeah, you're feeling yourself. Uh-huh. Show us your back, girl. You did turn your back. Let's see. Uh-uh. So you know show us your back. Oh my god, you hear the baby bobo. I'm shaming for myself. Show us your back. Don't tell me this will finish without you showing us your back. Oh no. Don't do this to us, girl. Don't do this to us. Don't do this to us. Show us your back, babe. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I didn't show you guys the back. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.